Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. In this video, I will show you that how you can fix hands in MidJourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So I have generated this image using MidJourney and you can see there is some problem. What we can see here is that this person here has three arms. This is a glitch in MidJourney and we can easily fix that. You can see the first arm is right here and the left arm is here and this extra arm is on the back. MidJourney just got confused here and it generated an extra arm. So I will show you that how you can fix this hand in MidJourney. So first off, what you will have to do is to download the image. So just right click and click on save image button and it will save it on your PC. Once that's saved on PC, open that file on Photoshop. Here you can see the file has been opened in the Photoshop. Now let's zoom in on the arm that we want to fix. Now on the left side you will see a lasso tool. Just select that tool. Once you have covered all the arm, now using this tool just right click and click the content aware fill button. And there you can see the extra hand has been removed and that's how you can fix ants in MidJourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.